good morning. I am your Bhranti ma'am and I am back again with more fun activities for you all. Today we are going to do more finger control exercises to develop your finger control so that you can hold the pencil properly and write in beautiful handwriting. So are you ready, children? Kids, our first activity is joining dots. Can you see? Sleeping line, zigzag line and curve pattern. I will show you how we are going to trace these patterns. As your ma'ams always tell you, we have to always use thick crayons to develop nice finger control. Take any color thick crayon and you have to join this dot slowly like this on the line. Don't be in a hurry. Go slowly on the dotted line. If you want, you can lift your hand and again start the pattern. This helps in eye-hand coordination as well as helps in developing fine motor skills. See? Then we'll do zigzag pattern or mountain pattern or up and down pattern. We'll take another thick crayon and again we'll be tracing the dots slowly. Go up, come down on the dots, slowly go up, come down, go up, come down. Can you see, children? Again, this activity involves your eye and hand coordination and will help you also develop good concentration and you'll enjoy doing this activity. See, now the last pattern, again we'll change the color and slowly on the dot, curve pattern. Can you see, children? Curve pattern on the dots, slowly. This is a very beautiful activity. You can take out worksheets of this join dots and you can do it very easily. Now the next activity that we are going to do is, children, sand feeling. What is this? I have taken rangoli. Your mama draws rangoli, right? This is rangoli and I have taken one empty plastic bottle and a funnel. Now what we have to do is, we have to pour this sand slowly from the funnel into the bottle. You love doing this activity because this is again one fine motor skill activity involving your eye and hand coordination and you are going to love this. See, this is called sand feeling activity. In all these activities, you are using your finger. So this helps you in the fine motor skill development. Hey kids, can you see what is this? This is one empty cardboard box that was lying in my house. I simply put some holes in it and these are pencils which I have decorated with leftover gift papers. Now this is one more concentration activity. You have to put these pencils in these holes. See, you have to hold this pencil like this with your thumb and finger, pointer finger and put it in these holes. It is looking very simple, children, but again this involves your eye and hand coordination and this will help in developing your finger control also. Isn't it fun? The next activity is, children, this is a foam sheet, very easily available in the market. It is a glitter foam sheet. So you love doing this activity. And then tell your mama to put some holes in this foam sheet and take a shoelace from your daddy's shoe or an old shoelace. And then what you have to do is, you have to put this inside these holes and you have to pass this lace like this through the holes like this. Go down, again come up, like this. It is like stitching activity, yes? Again eye and hand coordination and you love making this pattern. The entire flower, you will get stitches like this without using needle and thread. And it will increase your concentration also. So children, you can cut any shapes, a star, a flower, a heart, anything that you like. Tell your mama to make this activity for you at home. You will definitely enjoy this. Kids, what is this? Do you know? This is clay. See, you all must be having clay at home, isn't it? You know, clay is very useful for developing your fine motor skill. Initially, what you have to do is take little clay and just make balls like this. Yes. See, simple. Then you can make standing line from this like this. Just roll the clay between your hands like this. Yes. Then you can make small balls from the clay. I'll show you to make one flower using this clay. See, I have made 5 small balls and one more. First, we'll roll it into a ball, small ball like this using your fingers. Then you have to pinch it using your thumb and pointer finger. Pinch. Pinch it like this and place it in the center. Again, make ball, pinch it and put here. Again, make one ball, pinch it and put here. See, this is a very nice finger exercise and you'll also enjoy it. Yes, children, if your mama is preparing roti dough and if you don't have clay at home, you can take little dough from your mama and you can make so many things using it. See, a beautiful flower. Isn't it easy? Yes, you can make many more things using this clay. See, I am going to make one stem for this flower like this. Yay! Beautiful! Did you enjoy these activities? Weren't that beautiful? Yes, I hope that you all will do all these exercises at home and you all will enjoy too. I'll be back again with more activities for you all. Till then, bye-bye and have a nice day.